Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Anti-Perfect Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California. Okay, I am so excited about this new NuPasta pasta. I had to share it with you right away. All right, so we are in my garage, which is where our pantry is, and because I stocked up on this stuff. You're going to love this. Okay, this is a new find that I found, and it's called NuPasta, but it's not really a pasta. It is made of konjac, which is a source of dietary fiber. It's basically like a cross between a rice noodle and pasta, but I will tell you, if I didn't tell you that it wasn't actual pasta, you probably wouldn't know. I would say the mouthfeel is like 90% of an actual spaghetti pasta and maybe 10% of a rice noodle. If you want to stay away from carbs, which, listen, I love pasta, but I can't do it. It just doesn't work well with my body. This is your answer. It is 35 calories per serving, and this is an entire serving. It's not a chintzy serving. This is one serving, and I ate it myself and I was full. 35 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 6 grams of dietary fiber. I am telling you, you will love it. So ladies, I made a really delicious vegetarian spaghetti. Let's wash our hands and let me show you how I made it.